Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a very fun chromatic look using the new Chroma Zone 2.0 collection from SHEGLAM. I saw NikkieTutorials and other influencers kind of jumping to the chroma trend, and it is so beautiful, and we really are just testing out this entire collection and seeing how we like it. As you can see, I already have it on the eyes, so you're gonna see my first impression and raw reaction to these products. So thank you SHEGLAM for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I want to know if you guys are into this like chromatic, really cool dual chrome look, or if you're just like, it's not for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Other than that, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video because this is going to be a fun one. I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow to create a really nice like dark base. I'm going to have to work with what I have. Yeah, don't leave this around toddlers because their sticky little fingers will get into it and destroy your palette. I didn't even get a chance to try this. I am so bummed out. And it's all over my hands, all over my white shirt. So yay for that. I'm going to take that burgundy shade and I'm going to stamp it into the crease just so I can get a nice transitional shade going. And then I'm going to go back in and apply some of that purple. I think I'm going to wing this out. This is really pretty. I really want, like I said, a dark base so we can really test those chrome shadows and see if they really are all the hype, if they're just clickbait, or what is the 411. Okay, so I'm just gonna stamp this all over. This is really pretty. And then right here, I'm gonna sort of like wing it out a little bit. He really dug his fingers into the prettiest shade, which is that blue purple. I didn't even notice it, and I was right here in the room with him, but my back was turned to him. I should have known. I should have known, Mr. Lincoln. Let's take a little bit of the shade, which is a really pretty, like, rosy pink. I've already done this eye, and this is exactly the vibe that I want to go for. But I'm first going to just diffuse the eyeshadow a little bit because I do, at the end, want this to be a really pretty, like, chromatic look, since that is the trend. NikkieTutorials is the one that, well, not her, but a lot of other people have popularized it, but she's the one that I saw it through, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. I have to try this out. Especially once SHEGLAM sent me all these products, I was like, this is the perfect time. So I'm just going to take my time and blending and then going back and diffusing the edges to make sure that this is nice and smoky and evenly blended out. Then I'm going to take some of that black with a small little brush. Oh my gosh, you guys should see my desk. It is covered in this eyeshadow because it's broken and shattered and it just keeps going everywhere. But I'm just going to lay this because I really want this chrome eyeshadow to pop. So I'm just really keeping this in the lower lashes, or the lower lash line, closest to the lash line. I'm not going to bring this up too high because I really just need this to cover kind of like the skin, where you could kind of see the skin peeking through. And then whatever is on the brush, I'm just like tapping it all over. Okay, now that the eyeshadow is done, slayed, laid, let's get into this actual collection. So it comes with 3 pencils, and of course we're going to swatch them all. I will have the names in the description box, so I'm not sitting here for 100 years talking your ear off, but let's get into this first color. Yes please. Look at how, first of all, oop, I just broke that. Look at how absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at the shift. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is pure liquid green yellow gold. The shift is also so beautiful. Oh, this has to be my favorite one. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. This one is cool tone. So it's going to be a little icy, which is perfect for like this like colder weather. Look at that. It's like silver, but it's like blue. And then of course we have the little eyeshadows here, which are the ones that we will be using today. Oh my gosh, they're wet. Okay, I thought these were going to be loose pigments, but they're not. This one is called Cosmic Pearl, and I'm going to use this on the inner corner. It's a white, like an iridescent white. Seriously.
Mommy. Yeah, poop.
You gotta go poop? See how it turns from like white to like pink and green? Okay, I think this one's my favorite Mayhem Mothership. The blue is beautiful. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. The color. Oh my goodness. Yeah, definitely my favorite. Since I did use purple, I'm going to go in with shade Hypnosis, which is a beautiful like purple with like golden bronzy shades. I don't know. I'm going to use a little bit of my NYX glitter glue. Oh. This is perfection. Oh my gosh, a little definitely goes a very, very long way. Also, can I say that I think these apply best with like a silicone brush? Why do I always drop everything? Not sure if it was the glitter glue or if it's the shadow itself, if I applied too much, but it's definitely like a little bit like peeling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's peeling a little bit and it's kind of like cracking in between. So that's the only thing I'm not loving, is the way that they're laying on the eyes. But let me go ahead and apply some lashes. And here is the final look. So what do we think, you guys? Do you love or hate this like chromatic trend that is currently making its waves around social media? I do like these. I just think that they don't work well with glitter glue because they made them really, really patchy. And also these are best used with a silicone brush and not by tapping them in, but more like swiping them, because they do have a bit of a like gel consistency and they also have like a glitter type of finish. So you have to know how to work with them, otherwise they will get patchy like they did on my eyes. But I think the eye look is cute. I actually really like the Chroma Zone palettes. Too bad my toddler dug his fingers all into it. Shout out to SHEGLAM for creating this bomb collection. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!